Okay, so you walk into the car dealership, your heart is racing and your eyes are glued to that shiny brand new Ford F-150. You're feeling like a king because you're about to drive that new car. But guess what? The second you sign that paperwork and drive it off the lot, you just lost $4,000 in a single minute. Well done, my friend. You officially bought yourself a VIP ticket to the #1 wealth killer, auto loans. I know, this is going to sting, but stick around because it's gonna get worse. And I'm going to pop your eyes open with some facts. Also, I'll show you how you can avoid this trap, save yourself literally thousands, and still drive something you love. So welcome to the channel. My name is Prabha and let's buckle up. Right now in the US, people owe a whopping $1.6 trillion in auto loans. Yeah, that's T for trillion, folks. It's like everyone decided, hey, why not spend a lifetime's worth of income on something that loses value faster than I can find a parking spot at Costco? And why has this gotten so out of hand? Well, because these people haven't subscribed to my channel and they don't watch my videos where I talk about financial literacy all the time. Now, if you want to save yourself from making bad financial choices, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Now, coming back to the topic, car prices have skyrocketed thanks to a shortage of supply and little too much demand. But even worse, interest rates, man, they are growing like the debt itself, while these cars are depreciating faster than your will to go to the gym after New Year's. Oh, but of course, you need that truck. What's wrong if you have to finance it at 7% interest? How else are you going to tow your boat, which you're going to use twice a year? And hang on, that's not it. Here is the real kicker. So you've just spent $40,000 on the brand new F-150. Cool, right? Well, give it a minute. I mean, literally. And it's now worth $36,000. You've just lost 10% of the value in 60 seconds, faster than your last shopping spree. And here's how the value of a $40,000 car depreciates over time. In 1 year, it loses 20% of the value, which is $8,000. In 3 years, it's almost half and the value becomes around $23,000. Fast forward to 5 years later and that once shiny truck is now worth $16,000. But you have been consistently paying your monthly payments, haven't you? And by the time you're done paying off that car loan, you've spent a total of $53,000 for a car that's worth $16,000 now. But hey, at least you can still brag about the same monthly payments that kept draining your bank account, right? Alright, enough of complaining. So what can you do about this? Well, what if instead of letting your hard-earned cash disappear into thin air, you buy a used car? And I'm not talking about some junker from 1995. I mean a solid, reliable 3 to 5 year old car. Most of the depreciation has already happened, so the previous owner took that punch into the wallet for you. It's like buying a house that's already had its haunted history. Except here, the cost is the previous owner's bad decision to buy a brand new car. Spooky savings always works. By doing this, you'll not only save on the car's price, but you'll also have the chance to put down a bigger down payment, meaning your loan amount is smaller and your monthly payments way more manageable. And just so you know, it still drives you from point A to point B without any financial anxiety. Now, if you really want to drive that fancy car, here's a thought: rent it. Seriously, treat yourself once in a while. Drive that convertible BMW for a weekend, get it out of your system, and then return it. Your wallet will thank you. Or even better, work hard, make more money, and buy it without breaking the bank. Instead of squeezing the car into a tight budget, why not increase your budget with a better paying job or a side hustle? It's like trying to squeeze into jeans from 10 years ago. Sure, you can make it work, but should you? Probably not. Just get the bigger jeans, or in this case, a bigger budget. So invest in your future and learn new skills. Here's a golden rule to live by. Your budget should tell you what kind of car you can afford, not the other way around. If you're living paycheck to paycheck and trying to afford a $40,000 car, you're doing it all wrong. And I hate to break it to you, but that's not living the dream. That's surviving the nightmare. Instead, save wherever you can. Those frugal habits, they are going to pay off in the future. And trust me, your future self will look back and say, man, I'm so glad I didn't blow my savings on that 2024 Jeep just to impress Karen from accounting. Look, I get it. Cars are fun, they are shiny, they smell great when they're new, and who doesn't love the idea of driving around in the latest model? But remember, every dollar you spend on a new car is a dollar that could have been working for you, not against you. So next time you're tempted to finance a brand new car, think about how hard you work for that money and how that money could be better spent. Trust me, your wallet and your future self will thank you. And if you found this video eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe for more money saving tips, and let me know in the comments what's the worst financial decision you've ever made. Because let's be real, we've all been there. And remember, save smart, drive smart, and keep crushing those financial goals. Alright, see you next time.